Hello YouTube, this is just a really quick video. It's an article that's in the Times Online and it's entitled Hole in the Wall that Dispenses Pure Gold. I'd actually heard about these machines, that they've now installed them in many of the airports over in Germany. And what it is it's like a machine that you'd maybe buy a can of pop from, or a bar of chocolate, or a packet of chewing gum, but this machine sells pure gold. So it's a gold dispensing machine. You put your cash in, you get your gold bars out. Maximum weight of 10 grams, but all different types of gold come from it. Coins, different size bars, etc, etc. Just bear with me. It just shows it being unveiled. Obviously it's a German company that's built the machine and they supply the gold.
But I think it's also very important for the destination of the uni and the
Herius fine gold. Right, if you'd like to have a look at it, the link will be in the section below. Speak to you later. Bye bye.